How to add transitions in VN. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by importing your video clips. Once your project is open, look at the timeline where your clips are arranged. Tap on the small square with the plus icon or transition icon between two clips to open the transition menu. Here you can browse a variety of transition effects that VN offers. Choose the transition you like and it will be applied between the selected clips. You can preview the effect by playing the timeline to see how it smoothens the switch from one clip to another. VN allows you to adjust the duration of each transition to make it faster or slower depending on the style you want for your video. You can apply different transitions between multiple clips in your project, giving your video a professional and dynamic flow. Experiment with various effects like slide, wipe, or zoom to find the best fit for your content. Once you are satisfied with how the transitions appear and flow between clips, your project is ready for the next step. Now you know how to add transitions in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.